Yo, 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 it's your boy Nate with Odoo. Today, we're learning how interviews are scheduled in our recruitment app. We've made it easy for applicants to schedule their own meetings based on the interviewer's availability. No more calling, back and forth availability emails, or looking back at paper planners. Scheduling interviews for Stealthy Wood is super efficient thanks to Odoo. So, follow me as we schedule some interviews. Come on. Here I am on my main recruitment dashboard. Once again, we're taking a look at our social media coordinator position. We've been trying to fill it for quite some time now. So earlier today, I had a really good conversation with Laverne George. I need to move her to the second interview stage, but before I do, I want to configure an email to send automatically when I move a candidate to that stage. So to change or add an action when an applicant moves to the second interview stage, I'm just going to scroll over to that stage, click the gear icon, and then click edit in the drop-down menu. Here I can modify the stage. I want an email to go out when a candidate is moved to this stage. So I'm just going to select an email template. For this stage, I'm going to select the recruitment schedule interview. So this comes with the pre-configured when you install the recruitment app. If I want, I can also click this internal link arrow to see what this template looks like. I also can make any changes that I want if needed, of course, and we can also preview this by clicking the preview button. This looks awesome, so I'm just going to click close. And now we're just going to click save and close to close this overall open email template window out. All right, now I'm going to drag Laverne to the second interview stage. And let's see what happens. When I open her card now and scroll down, look at that. It looks like we just sent her an email asking her to schedule an interview. So when she clicks the schedule my interview button, she's taken to a page that shows her all the available dates and times that she can select. These dates are also reflective of my open calendar, so she's only able to select the times that work for me. It also takes into account her local time zone that's set on the device that she's using to schedule the interview compared to mine. It also presents her times that reflect that. Really cool, right? Okay, so let's say she's available on February 11th at 7:30 a.m. Early interview, but hey, we can do it. When she selects the time, she's taken to this page where she can fill out her name, email, phone number, and then schedule the interview herself. Obviously, this shows my information because I'm signed in, but if she wasn't, the fields would be blank for her to fill in. I think this is a super cool tool, so less work for me, so let's just go ahead and confirm this appointment. Okay, so what about candidates that don't use the link and instead want to email or call to set up a time? That's what Gloria Stevenson did, so not a problem. Once we're back in our database here, we can click on Gloria Stevenson's card, and over the phone, we agreed on a second interview time. So once we're on her card here, we'll notice that there's a smart button at the top of her page that says no meetings. That's because there aren't any meetings currently scheduled for her. To schedule the meeting, I'm just going to click on the meeting smart button and then click on the date and time that we agreed on, which is going to be February 13th at 10 a.m. And we already have our marketing manager, Anita Oliver, added as well, and of course myself. But let's invite an additional interviewer, Tina Williamson. And once she's added to the meeting, what we're going to do now is, since this is a virtual call, is we're just going to add a virtual URL link. And once we click on that, it appears in the field. I want to email Gloria this information, so I'm going to click the More Options here on the bottom right corner. From here, I'm just going to click this email button. And once that's completed, an email form or pop-up appears. And assuming this looks all good, we're just going to click Send. And off it goes. Now everyone knows about the meeting. If I click the meeting's breadcrumb here at the top, we can see Gloria's meeting has been added to the calendar. And if we click Gloria Stevenson's breadcrumb, we can now see that the meeting is in the meeting smart button here at the top. And that's it for this tutorial. We learned how to have applicants schedule their own interviews and meetings based off of our team's availability, and how to manually set up the interviews as well. See you in the next tutorial, Odooers. Till then, happy recruiting.